CreativeYear, and this month's prompt is, well, the topic for this month is clothing, and the prompt for this week is what leaves you in stitches. So I thought, well, you know, that could be taken in many different ways, what leaves you in stitches, but I'm thinking more about what makes you laugh so hard that it makes your tummy ache. That's kind of like that saying, what leaves you in stitches, because you laugh so hard, right? So I was thinking back about my childhood and the old shows that I liked to watch, and one of them was the Three Stooges. So I found this picture online, and I thought I'd fussy cut it out. I'm going to do my background first, and then I'm going to add some funny stuff to these Three Stooges, because this is what has left me in stitches. I loved their slapstick comedy. You know, they just were so funny. You could sit on Sunday mornings. I remember coming back from church with my mom and watching Shirley Temple, and then the Three Stooges, and then the Little Rascals, and sometimes I Love Lucy would come on. So it left me laughing really hard. So I hope that this will inspire you to go out and make a art journal page for your creative year, or come up with something that follows the prompt as well as the topic for this month. And don't forget to share in the Facebook group, and I will post a link down at the bottom to the Facebook group, My Creative Year. And if you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz. And without further ado, I am going to get started. To put this down, and I'm using some security envelopes because I like the patterns that are on the inside of these. So I'm going to come in and make some marks and things, and then finish the decorations of this, finish the finishing touches. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and start gluing some hats and some funky things on their heads. Alright, so there you have it. I hope that you enjoyed my take on this week's prompt, and that you'll go ahead and check out the My Creative Year Facebook group. And thanks again for watching, and I hope you'll come back again and visit me. Have a wonderful day. Thanks again for watching. Bye. Toodles.